New Year's Eve 2025. Watch fireworks at these spots in the UAE. Whether you're in the heart of Dubai, the mountains of Hatta, or along the beaches of Abu Dhabi and Sharjah, the UAE promises a New Year's Eve filled with fabulous fireworks and festivities. As the clock strikes midnight on December 31st, the skies across the UAE will be illuminated with vibrant fireworks displays, signaling the start of a new year. Fireworks are an integral part of New Year's Eve celebrations, and the UAE offers some of the most spectacular shows. Here's a comprehensive guide to the best fireworks displays in the UAE, including Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, and more. Dubai is renowned for its extravagant New Year's Eve celebrations, and fireworks play a central role in the festivities. The Emirate will host incredible fireworks displays, providing plenty of opportunities to ring in 2025 with a bang. Burj Khalifa. The iconic Burj Khalifa hosts one of the world's most famous New Year's Eve fireworks displays. Expect a breathtaking show with live entertainment, food trucks, and a carnival-like atmosphere at Burj Park. Atlantis. The Palm Atlantis will not only host a star-studded gala dinner with Lionel Richie performing, but also a dazzling firework display. The show can be viewed from various points along Palm Jumeirah and Dubai Marina, Dubai Festival City Mall. At Festival Bay, a daily firework display runs from December 6th to January 12th. On New Year's Eve, the midnight show will cap off the Dubai Shopping Festival celebrations. Blue Waters and JBR. Both Blue Waters and JBR will host beautiful fireworks at midnight, visible from various licensed restaurants and public spaces. The beachside locations are ideal for those who prefer a relaxed, open-air experience. Expo City Dubai Expo City will feature a grand firework display as part of the official countdown to 2025. As a global hub for innovation, Expo City's celebrations will also be broadcast live on international networks. Global Village is taking things up a notch with 7 different fireworks shows starting at 8 p.m. and running until 1 a.m. This makes it the perfect family-friendly destination for those celebrating New Year's Eve with younger children. At a glance, other venues in Dubai offering New Year's Eve fireworks: Bab Al Shams Desert Resort, Jumeirah Golf Estates, Sofitel Dubai, the Palm Arabian Ranches Golf Club, one and only Royal Mirage Hotel, Al Seef, Emirates Golf Club, Dubai Frame, Palazzo Versace Dubai, Jumeirah Beach Hotel, Dubai Parks and Resorts, Four Seasons Jumeirah Beach, Al Saif Street, Address Montgomery, Dubai, Le Royal Meridian Beach Resort, JA Beach Hotel, Jebel Ali, J1 Beach, La Mer, Terra Solis Bulgari Hotels and Resorts, Park Hyatt, Dubai Hotel, Nshama Town Square, one and only hotel, The Palm, 5 Palm Jumeirah Hotel, Al Marmoom Oasis Camp, Voco Monaco Dubai, Nikki Beach Resort Dubai, Blue Oasis Resort, Dubai Design District, Topgolf Dubai, Red New Year's Eve 2025. Dubai unveils security safety plans for festivities. Abu Dhabi will host several grand fireworks shows, including the world's largest fireworks display, set at the Sheikh Zayed Festival in Al Wathba. Sheikh Zayed Festival. The festival will feature a 50-minute fireworks display accompanied by a 6,000 drone light show that aims to break Guinness World Records. A variety of cultural performances and laser shows will also be part of the celebrations. Yas Island, Yas Bay and Yas Marina will host 2 fireworks displays, one at 9 p.m. and another at midnight, providing ample viewing opportunities. Abu Dhabi Corniche. The Corniche's waterfront will be lined with thousands of spectators for a stunning fireworks display. Key viewing spots include the Mother of the Nation Festival and nearby areas. At a glance, other spots in Abu Dhabi featuring New Year's Eve firework displays: Hazza bin Zayed Stadium in Al Ain, Liwa Festival in Al Dhafra, Public Park in Madinat Zayed, Al Dhafra, Gayathi in Al Dhafra behind Town Centre, Al Mughira Beach in Al Marfa, Al Dhafra. Sharjah will host fireworks at 3 major locations to celebrate the new year. On December 31st, from 8 p.m. onwards, residents and visitors can enjoy a diverse lineup of events across 3 iconic waterfront locations. Al Majaz Waterfront. Enjoy a 5-minute fireworks show against Sharjah's beautiful skyline with plenty of food and entertainment options. Al Hira Beach. Witness a 10-minute fireworks display along with synchronized LED fire and saxophone shows at Al Hira Beach. Corfacan Beach will have a 3-kilometer-long celebration featuring fireworks, laser shows and performances to usher in 2025. Ras Al Khaimah is known for its epic New Year's Eve celebrations, which include fireworks and drone shows. The Emirate will host its longest NYE display, lasting up to 15 minutes, using drones and lasers to light up the night sky. Al Marjan Island and Al Hamra Village, Ras Al Khaimah's longest ever fireworks show, will unfold in 3 acts. The show combines traditional fireworks with cutting-edge drone technology to celebrate the Emirates' cultural heritage. Rak's picturesque beaches, hotels and landmarks will also offer prime spots to view the show. Tips for enjoying NYE 2025 fireworks in the UAE. Arrive early. Many locations, especially Dubai, are expected to get crowded, so arrive early to secure a good spot, dress comfortably. Since many events are outdoors, bring comfortable clothing and be prepared for the cooler weather in the evenings. Plan your transport. Traffic and road closures are common on New Year's Eve, so plan your route or consider using public transport or taxis.